Alright guys, so here is your engine oil filter access and your drain plug access here. You don't have to remove this engine undercover, but I'm going to remove it so I can show you guys a lot better. Oh, I missed this guy. There you go. Now you can see the engine and the transmission. What is this? Okay. Alright guys, so I am using 17mm to remove this drain plug. All Kia drain plug are size 17. Okay, now we can do a quick inspection. 11 30-second tires. Brakes are still looking pretty good. CV axle. Same thing here, there. Water pump is looking pretty good. Drive belt. Yeah. Awesome. This one has a 65,000 miles in it. Obviously they recently replaced tires. The brake pads still sitting around 6mm. Alright, inspection is good. Alright, we're gonna install a new drain plug gasket. Install the drain plug with a new gasket in it. And we're gonna torque this to the spec. There we go. Let's move on to the filter. Oh, that's tight. Okay guys, so here is the spin-on part number. It's right there.
That's right!
Alright guys, so I did add engine oil in this filter, so when we start the engine, you got something to begin with. I did also clean this oil filter cooler and make sure you got oil here on your gasket. And tight this one. Okay. Okay. All right. Alright guys, everything is looking pretty good. Torque this one to spec. This one is tight and all clean. There is no oil dripping at all. Sweet. Install the engine undercover back. Start right here. And this one and set the tire pressure to 35 psi. The spec is only 32 or 33, but I like to set it to 35 because when the temperature goes down, your TPMS light is not going to turn on. My 5W20 is way up there. Can't reach it. We're having some technical difficulties. Okay, buddy, I got you down here. Oh, come on. How about we grab the red table, give you extra height, and then really sketchy. It's gonna be sketchy, but that table is solid. And then you don't have to go all the way up there because this one is sketchy. It holds 225. How much you weigh?
I hope to God Osa doesn't show up today.
Not OSHA approved, but do what we gotta do.
I like that the camera's right there looking at us.
Oh yeah, that's a teamwork, guys, right there.
You recording this?
No. Hey, thank you guys. Alright, so we ended up fixing it. We added this one to keep it in place. And also add washer over there. Cool. Alright, gentle. There you go. Oh, my power fell. Alright, you don't belong there, buddy. You don't belong there. There we go. Engine filter, it's not too bad, so I did not recommend it. Cabin filter, that I recommend, but they declined the service. This guy goes this way. Okay. Okay. So we're gonna go ahead and start the engine. Install new sticker for the next oil change service. I think I forgot to fill this in. Oh yeah, she is thirsty, ladies and gentlemen. There we go. Alright guys, so I let the engine sat for about 2-3 minutes. Now it is time to double check our fluid level. First, wipe it up, put it in, pull it out. Here we go. This is low, this is full, and this is where we at. We're good. Alright guys, thank you for watching. You have a great day. Bye.